In this video, I will show you how to verify your Faceit account. First, open the Faceit website and log into your account. Now, click on the three dots near your profile picture. From the list, choose Account Verification. On this page, click the Get Verified button. You will see 4 checkboxes. Tick all of them and press the Confirm button. Now, it will show you 2 ways to verify your identity. Choose the first one, Document Capture. The second one is not working yet. Click on the Verify button. A new page will open with some instructions. You can read them if you want. Then click on Get Started, and after that, click Continue. Now, a QR code will appear on your screen. Open your phone camera and scan the QR code. It will open a link on your phone. On your phone, you will be asked to take a selfie and a clear photo of your ID card. Follow the steps on your phone and complete the process. After submitting everything, wait for some hours or a few days. The Faceit team will check and verify your identity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.